Would you just look at it? Look at that. Oops. I apparently bent that, and I had no idea. But you know who? That guy.
He tried to follow the KRX.
Yeah, and he didn't tell me that that was bent.
He didn't try to follow the KRX. We have no idea.
Shows you how close I pay attention. Anyways, I got new ones. High clearance from AJK Off-Road. I will put a link in the description. Dells hooked us up, so I'll also put a link for them in the description. Billet aluminum. It's kind of cool how these are shipped. They have wheel side, so they tell you which side it needs to go. Now, I did flip these around to see if they were the exact same, and they are. The only difference is the hole diameter. So, see how that's a smaller hole? And that's a bigger hole, and it says wheel side. So, these fittings do come out on the lowers. Well, see, there's one right there. On this side, I do not believe they come out.
Yeah.
Yep, they do. I lied. So, we're going to go ahead and put these suckers on. You will need a... Okay, this is kind of a toss-up, because if you have the hitch like I do, I don't remember if I changed the bolts or not. So, if I change the bolts and mine are different size than yours, this could be wrong. You need an 18 for here and a 15 for the inside. Maybe it's a 16. One of the two. And then on the outers, there's 17. It's in there solid, so you don't need something on the back. You just spin them off. So.
Also, before you get excited, put these on. You will, if you notice this, need to adjust this.
Yes. Now, on that side will be easy because it's not bent. I can put a bolt through both sides and line them up and adjust it out. So I can make this side good. This side, however, is bent, so
we're just gonna hope
I'm going to hope that that side is the same. And go off that. I can make a minor adjustment or something later on. It's not that big of a deal.
Technically, we're going off these top ones. Oh, actually.
Oh, yeah. Never mind.
I forgot.
I'm an idiot.
You have high clearance now, so the high clearance is down at the bottom.
Yeah, so
you don't.
We're going to be able to adjust them off of those.
Yeah.
So, ignore what I said. Yeah,
special.
let's get started.
Okay.
I have the jack propping it up. It's not jacked up. It's just holding the weight of the side-by-side. It's lifted up just a little bit. So. Milwaukee. I'll put a link in the description below. By far the best impact down there.
DeWalt.
I don't care what you DeWalt people say.
DeWalt.
Sucks.
I get the same impact, so I can't say anything.
I need.
Do you need this 17?
No, I need this.
Ah, that's a 16.
That's a 19.
Oh, oops.
This is a 16. Remember, my bolts can be different than yours because I have put the hitch on, and I think it came with new bolts.
Come on, NASCAR.
Yeah. All right. I'm gonna do the bottom one first because it has the structure. So I'm gonna knock these bolts out, and
which means we may need to fiddle with the jack a little bit to relieve some pressure.
Yeah. All right.
Okay, you're gonna give these a little cut. Yeah. Wheel side, and then you're gonna need a friend over here to do. So he's gonna slide it here.
Now I'm ready for you to pull it out.
It's out all the way.
No, the bottom of it.
Oh, yeah, I guess. And then you gotta get.
There it is.
Let's go.
And then take my bolt.
Okay.
Oh man, that looks so much better.
Your axle didn't just come out like it doesn't like separate, does it?
No.
No. Oh, okay. Okay. Sorry, I was worried.
And now I need the upper.
And now you need the upper. I guess either one doesn't matter because they're straight. When you do this, careful. What is this? Is this the what's this bar? Radius rod?
No,
these are
that's what we're replacing.
Goodness gracious. I cannot think of anything this morning. Anyways, if you don't have a friend to help you, and you just be careful.
Find one.
find one. Be careful. Or have two jacks, so you can set one jack underneath the tire. Okay. And I slide on.
Okay.
Go down.
Push it hair more. There we go. Get in there. There we go.
There we go.
Good.
Sorry, I cut that off. I wasn't filming. I just Blake just said,
Man, that looks good.
"Oh, gross." Okay, actually, this is a great picture, because there's your stock, not bent, obviously, and your new high clearance. That's what it looks like. And these tires are off the ground, so if you're curious about at full droop, you're completely fine, which is awesome. But yeah, that's a great tag picture.
All right, well, we'll just slap the other side in. We'll be right back.
Well, Blake, what are your impressions?
I think it's awesome. I don't know. Let me think what you. Let me know what you think about just doing raw instead of painted. I think it looks meaner.
Yeah, I like the raw. It's shiny. No, you're supposed to leave that tape on.
Now, if you guys have ever watched how to polish wheels on one of our videos we did a long time ago, there's a stuff called white diamond, and it does amazing. So I think I'm going to take that to this and make it almost mirror.
Oh yeah,
make really good polishing.
Make it super shiny. I'm gonna have to do a little research. It's been quite a few years. I've heard there's new stuff out that's better than white diamond, but
and I'm not sure why I bent that. I treat this machine very good. I don't ride very hard at all.
Wait, is that a joke?
Anyways.
Next week, Blake at the Improv.
Yeah.
Next week, Blake jumping 12 feet across the dunes.
Yeah.
12 feet high by 22 foot out.
I baby this thing.
Yeah, that's how you broke one. Actually, I think you backed into something.
I probably did. But what's weird is Okay. So there's a little bit of wear and tear, but I don't think that's from like rocks or anything. I think that's
it's like
just
sandblasted
from going to the dunes.
Because this one's similar.
And that's the top one.
Yeah, that's the top one.
So I think that's just from the sand.
Well, looks good.
Pretty easy.
Now you're ready
to do this. You will have to jack it up off the ground to get them out. Yeah. We just wanted to show you guys the new radius rods.
Yeah.
That's it.
All right, everybody. Like, comment, subscribe.
We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.